Hi, welcome to day 2 of this lesson. You will find the sheet that you'll need in the same exact folder, plotting tools, and it'll be the plot diagram, which will be published for you. And you'd click on that, and I'd want you to fill it out. So if you did not end up watching The Lion King, that's okay, but I'm sure you probably have seen it or you know the story. So I'm going to show you exactly how to fill out a plot diagram to kind of make it just a better visual aid for you to understand how plots are organized, okay? So, this is everything that we kind of filled out in our notes yesterday, but it's shown in a way that they actually show the progress of the story. So, for example, the exposition. Pride Rock, Africa. The situation. Simba is being born and is next in line to be king. The main character is Simba. Minor character, I'd say antagonist is Scar. Then Nala, Mufasa, Rafiki, Zazu are secondary characters. Then we have the rising actions of the story before the climax. Scar tricks Simba and Nala into the elephant graveyard. Mufasa must save them. Mufasa is killed by the stampede at the hands of Scar. Simba runs away and Scar takes over. Simba grows up. Then Simba encounters Nala and learns about the poor conditions at Pride Rock. Then Simba decides to return to Pride Rock. And then there's the conflicts. The conflict, which as you can see through the rising action, that Simba is dealing with Scar wanting to take over the throne. Then the climax, Simba and Scar fight. Simba defeats Scar. And then everything's starting to slowly reset, going back to normal. Simba takes his place as king of Pride Rock. Everything goes back to normal. Then the circle of life is complete because Simba and Nala have their own baby cub, just like how Simba was born in the beginning. Now his child is born. It is third person. There is no narrator, but we don't know the thoughts and feelings inside someone's head. We can only know them if they're speaking about them to other people. The theme, when dealing with difficult situations, learn to deal with them right away so they don't become worse. If Simba had stayed after his dad died, maybe Scar would have not been able to take over. This would have saved Simba and a lot of other animals at Pride Rock. There's a lot of things you can learn from this film as well if you'd want to dive into a different theme. Obviously, a circle of life is important, that once one falls, another is to take its place. There's a lot of talk about family and your role in life and destiny. But that is a really good theme describing the movie. So as you can see, this is how you would break it down. So when eventually we create our own short stories, we'll probably do something, or our own narratives, we'll probably do something like this. We're going to want to know your exposition. You're going to want to figure out a few rising actions before you get to the climax of your story, how it's going to start falling back to place, and how it's going to finally be resolved at the end. So again, if you didn't watch Lion King, spoiler alert, I just ruined it for you, so I apologize. If you didn't watch it this week, here's a good refresher, or if you did, I'm sure this is what is reflected on your notes. And if you find things are missing and if you want to go back and add to your notes, please do that before you submit. All right, have a good one, guys.